WhatsApp New Features 2018. Hello friends, welcome back to Apple Friendly. This is continuation video to my earlier video on WhatsApp features. And today I'm going to discuss all the latest WhatsApp features for iOS users. I'm going to go through them quickly. I'd appreciate if you can share your favorite WhatsApp features down in the comment section below. And consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. So without further ado, let's get started. One of the best features is playing YouTube video with picture-in-picture. So when you receive a link to a YouTube video, you can now play it right within WhatsApp. Simply tap the play button and YouTube video will start playing in picture-in-picture mode. With picture-in-picture, you can also keep watching the video while you navigate to another chat. And if you feel, you can also hide the video player window just by swiping it right or left. And bring it back when required. How cool is that? I just love this feature. WhatsApp now allows to share live location in real time with your family and friends. And to do that, tap the plus button, select location, select share live location, select the duration for which you want to share the live location and hit send button. Now the next person receives a message something like this. He or she can tap this view live location and start tracking your location in real time. If you wish, you can stop sharing your live location anytime by pressing this stop sharing button. And as soon as you do that, the next person will not have access to your live location anymore. Very useful feature for tracking, especially your children. WhatsApp now allows to delete messages sent by mistake. Just tap and hold a message you sent in last 7 minutes, select delete, tap this delete icon and select delete for everyone. The message will be deleted for you and everyone in the chat. And this is how the next person will see the message. And now you can record long voice messages easily. When recording a voice message, just swipe up to lock recording. So you can record without keeping your finger down. When done, simply hit this send button. Now you can search messages within a specific chat, and to do that, tap the chat name at the top to go to contact info and select chat search. Now search for the required words. Like this. Pretty useful. When you receive multiple photos, you can now tap and hold on the group of photos to quickly forward, delete or save all of them at once. Nice little additional feature. And when typing text in a chat, you can select the text and easily find formatting options like bold, italic, etc. Now you no longer need to do it using asterisks and all. Now you can pin chats to the top of your chat list to set them as your priority. And to do that, just swipe right on a chat and tap the pin icon. And similarly, swipe right and tap unpin icon to remove it from the top of the chat list. WhatsApp now allows to send documents of any type to your friends and family. Simply tap this plus button, select documents, it should launch the Files app. Choose the document and send it. PDF, Excel, Word, everything. Now the last but not the least, WhatsApp allows to post text-only updates to your status. You just need to tap the pencil icon in the status tab, type in your text, pick a font, and color and hit send. So that's all for today. What is your favorite WhatsApp feature, or what feature would you like to see in WhatsApp's next update? Do let me know down in the comment section below, and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. It's all free, and don't forget to press the bell icon for all the future uploads. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take good care of yourself and thank you for watching.